Hey everyone, it's Claire, and today I'm going to be doing a review and unboxing of some phone cases from the company CASEKOO. And so I got 3 phone cases. One of them is for the iPhone 13 Pro, and then there's one for the iPhone 15 and one for the iPhone 16, which is coming up soon. So hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing. So let's go ahead and unbox one right now. So here is what it looks like, and they have their own website, and they sent these to me, very quick shipping and really nice quality packaging. As you can see here, it has their brand name, and then it's got these little containers to hold all of the iPhones. So let's just go ahead and take a look. So they also have little stickers. How cute! So some stickers with the brand name on it, as you can see, and even more with little pandas. Okay, so here is one phone case. I'm not sure which one this one is, but it's just a really nice, clear, solid case. It's really sturdy actually, yeah. And then this thing is pretty nice and sturdy as well, just to prop up your phone if needed in various ways. So I really like this, so nice. I'm actually already using one, so my phone here has one of them on it already, and I've been using it for a little while. It's super convenient. Just a clear case with like some sparkles. As you can see, the little bit of shimmer happening. Doesn't add very much weight to the phone. And then the third one, let's see. So we'll open up the third one. More panda stickers, right? Put these wherever you want. And let's take a look at these panda stickers, okay? Sweet, there's like 2. If you are just a sticker fan, that's already a bonus for this company. And then the phone case itself, wow, this is nice. Okay, so here we have the third phone case, and I'm thinking this one might be for the iPhone 16 that's coming out. I mean, I don't know, but like maybe. Or maybe it's like the iPhone 15. Either way, it's bigger than my phone. So this one here, nice and sturdy as well. Let's see how this, oh, okay. So this has more of just like a little stand, like so. And you can also stand it up like so. And yeah, it looks really nice quality. Everything looks great. And so those are the 3 phone cases that I got. The clear one with the sparkly shimmer, and then the large one with the kind of like tinted finish. So CASEKOO is a great company. They're very professional, really great to work with, and I received my items quickly. They also have their website, which I will link below, and you guys can check it out and see the options that they have available. So I suggest you check it out, and please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!